Roughly 30 planes landed at Pittsburgh-Atkinson Municipal Airport for the Fly Kansas Air Tour. KOAM's Sagoon Banadelli has more about the tour's mission of inspiring the next generation of pilots.
The Fly Kansas Air Tour is a 3-day, 9-city celebration of aviation. Pittsburgh is the second stop on the statewide tour.
I really like the planes around here. They look cool and you get to learn about the planes and stuff.
Over 200 fifth graders from the Pittsburgh School District met the pilots, learned about aviation, and got to see what it was like from the pilot's seat.
That goes up. Pull back goes up.
It's actually like being able to see everything inside the plane. It's really cool being able to sit in the seat because the seats are pretty comfy.
Mike Olsen, a pilot and a civil engineer, says kids are the reason he does the tour.
Well, I enjoy when the kids do climb into the airplane and get to move the controls and experience it and really see and touch what flying is like.
Olsen says his goal is to inspire anybody who wants to learn to just go for it.
Just like to emphasize is that anybody can do this. You know, if you make up your mind, you can learn to fly right here. You can go fly, and you can go fly for airlines or charter pilots or air ambulances, whatever you choose and how you want to make a difference. A lot of people don't realize how accessible aviation is in Kansas. And if you want to do it, if you want to fly, it's certainly available.
In Crawford County, Sagoon Banadelli, KOAM News.
The Fly Kansas Air Tour will end on Saturday in Junction City Municipal Airport.